This is sticky rice with mango. Then you have cafe americano. Where am I? I'm here at Sea Oil na gasoline station in Gihing. Very spacious yung location na to. Naman no? I'm solo here kasi hindi pa masyadong discover yung place. This is in Gihing in Davao del Sur. So before reaching Digos, if you're from Jensan, this site is on the right side. Maganda din if you want some yung parang hindi masyado maraming tao, no? In Digos kasi you have MERS, no? Sobrang dami yung mga tao naman ay made a stopover. Galing kasi akong galing akong Digos, Davao City. I decided to have ayaw ko noon mag-lunch, no? So I decided to have just a break and check on this place. So what is unique about this place, no? Kung tingnan mo, aircon yung CR nila. Laki-laki ng yung CR nila, and aircon is very clean. So for going from Davao to Jensan and vice versa, this is a recommended place to go. They have yung coffee shop there, complete. The service is very good, then very clean, tingnan mo. Then they have yung parang convenience store there na area. Yan, so maganda rin for mga quick na mga stopovers. Then mukhang maganda na yung service naman yung gasoline station nila. This is Sea Oil in Gihing, Davao del Sur. Gihing is parang nakalinya. I don't know if Gihing is a separate town or part of Padada. Lagi naming dinadaanan to. It used to be this place is daanan lang talaga. But with this place, you have a very good option na for stopover. Chill lang muna. I also bought yung matcha na green tea. Okay? So again, ito yung natin. Break natin. You have sticky rice paired with cafe americano pampagising, because 1 hour pa yung drive going to Jensan. Okay? Yan yung place again. This is Sea Oil stopover in Gihing, Davao del Sur. Very nice place, no? Maganda, spacious, and very clean.